Here is our instructions for our reading for today. Today we're not reading a new chapter in the book, but we're going to explore character traits because that's an important skill to be able to explore character traits when we read something. Okay, so if we click, we open the folder. What you should do then is click the assignment. And there's not any specific directions on there, but what we're going to do is notice there's a link to character traits, Grasshopper, and Ant storyboard, and then a storyboard that. So the instructions are actually in the Google slide. So if I click to open it, right here, I actually already have it opened here. Okay. So as today we're exploring character traits, so just write your name on this front slide. Watch the video. So watch this video on character traits. Okay. And then after that video, what you should be able to tell me are, well, what are character traits? And then what do you use to help decide a character's traits? Okay, so these should be a good full thought. So again, for watching the video, what are character traits? And then what do you use to help decide a character's traits? Then you're going to watch this short called The Grasshopper and the Ant. And while you watch it, I want you to be thinking of character traits for the grasshopper and the ants. So be thinking of those character traits for the grasshopper and the ants. Because then what we're going to do is we're going to use storyboard that. So it says go to storyboard that. So we watch the grasshopper and the ants video, which we've done now. So you're going to tell and show a character trait of each of the following. So the grasshopper, the ants, and then you as well. So you should write the character trait in the top yellow box. You should write a sentence as evidence in the bottom blue box. You should illustrate that character trait. So, and there's the link to the assignment. So it's going to look like this, right? Like that'll be your template. So a grasshopper character trait, ants character trait, and a you character trait. So here, so grasshopper character trait, I want you to tell me a character trait of the grasshopper. Okay, so choose a character trait of the grasshopper. And you're going to write that as the instructions say. Tell me what the character trait is, what word you use to describe them in the yellow box, so you can just add it up here. And then the blue box, give me evidence from the story that makes you think that that is one of their character traits. Okay, same thing with the ants. So we're kind of looking at the ants as a collective. So give me a character trait of the ants. You'll illustrate it then. So show what you mean by that. And then a sentence for evidence. Well, I think they have this character trait because in the story they did this, or they said this, or they thought this. And then a you character trait. So by that I mean I want to know what you think a character trait of you as a person is. So you'll give me what you think your character trait is, and then illustrate that for me, and then a sentence of evidence. And you'll do that, and then you'll save it, you'll download it, and you will, that's what the template looks like, right? And then you'll add that picture onto this last storyboard. So you need to watch my other instruction video on how to download and attach that picture onto that slide. But that's what you'll be doing there. Okay, so make sure you watch the other video as well for how to download the video. And if you have questions, well, let me know.